We all know the emphasis of that first impressions count. So it is so important for you to invest in a wardrobe that you know suits your body shape, body type, your personality, as well as your lifestyle. So this particular video, we're going to be talking about how confidently to dress, style, the inverted triangle body shape. What I found for over the years of being a fashion designer and image stylist, as well as creating wardrobes for my clients, is that my clients would see beautiful photographs or big marketing campaign photos of women wearing these beautiful outfits that they want to go ahead and purchase, but not realizing that the person that is wearing that garment might be the same slimness or the same size as them, but their body shape is totally different. Their body proportions are different, and when they buy the garment ends up either staying in the back of the wardrobe, or they wear it and they never really feel absolutely amazing in the garment, but maybe they paid a fortune for it. So psychologically, it's like, I paid a lot for this, so it's part of that ego, I must look good, I've spent so much on this garment, but not realizing it actually doesn't look good on you, and it doesn't emphasize, enhance all those beautiful good qualities that you have in your body shape, that you want to portray, that you want to show off. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland, and me being a transformational coach, helping you to create the life by design starts with the way that you are dressing. So on all my Tuesday videos, I will be talking about to help you to find your self-identity through your style, to build your self-image on the outside. And my Friday videos will be all about the psychology of your self-awareness, of your self-confidence, gap between who you are and who you want to become, by having absolute clarity, whole transformation from the outer to the inner, for you to live a full life. So usually the upper body is broader or wider, and traditionally you have more slender, slim legs. Your shoulders are a lot broader than your hips. You might not have a waistline, you might have a bit of a tummy, or just going very straight with no waistline at all. You could have small bust to a fuller bust as well, not just be the very lean, tall inverted triangle. And when you know the basic techniques, you want to make your shoulders look smaller and make your hips look slightly wider. So it's all about balancing with the eye. So when you are selecting clothes and putting your garments together, the whole idea is to create a balance between the top part of the body as well as the bottom, to make the hips look slightly bigger, but not to accentuate the shoulders, to make the shoulders look any wider than what they already are. Once you understand the designs, the styles, the cut lines that absolutely suit the top part of your body, the hip area, you are moving the eye onto another area. Show off your good assets. My best friend happens to have an inverted triangle body shape, and she has the most beautiful legs. And when I met her, and she was wearing her skirts and dresses far too long, and she's a shorty, so she was actually just drowning in the clothes was wearing her, and she was going through a huge big separation. And I said to her, why not step up and show off those beautiful legs? You are moving into new dynamics, a new big shift, transformation in your life. And I could see the confidence grow as she slowly started just tweaking and changing her wardrobe, wearing her dresses a little bit shorter, showing off those beautiful legs. It's almost like she felt that her sensuality was coming back. She could actually feel her femininity was coming back. It was rebirthing of her identity was coming through just by her changing the length of her skirts and her dresses. Just that one tiny little difference that she made a huge difference in her confidence. To keep any volume that you can see with my eye more on the bottom half of the body. The top half, to keep it clean and uncluttered and sort of more straight lines and avoid lots of frills. You would avoid wide necklines, broad straps on the shoulders, halter neck tops, and big shawl collars. Avoid bold, busy patterns on the top part of the body. So always be aware of the garments that you're selecting, that you're creating some kind of waistline. And of course, avoid pencil skirts and tight, skinny jeans or tights. So create more balance between the upper and the lower half of the body. You're always playing down the emphasis of the shoulder lines, and you're rather adding more emphasis on the lower half of the body, where the hip area is usually smaller. And of course, to try and show off those beautiful legs. It's all about you being more confident. Buying and investing in a wardrobe is also investing in your self-image, yourself. Lifts up the level of your confidence and self-worthiness to step into the world and to be open and to receive all those opportunities that are coming your way and to make them happen. And it starts off with the way that you dress and the way that you feel. It starts off with your wardrobe. So invest wisely. Use the link down below of the video I did of color psychology. And as you know, people will spend thousands on creating logos for their business to have the right color, to create the right image. Colors have empowering energy behind them. The colors that you are wearing is stimulating the vibrations, not just the vibrations around you, as well as the chakras inside your body too, in vibrating those different chakra energies in the body. So color is much more than what you realize. So invest in colors that absolutely suit you and colors that you love to wear. Why not be colorful? It allows you to be more playful, to be more open to opportunities, and to step out of your comfort zones and to do something new, try something new, try new hobbies, new skills. The color energy will just stimulate all those energies. So don't underestimate the power of color.